Welcome to DataStudio's tutorial for generative AI. Today's tutorial is dedicated to our Supervised Language Model Fine-Tuning capability, an integral template that can be used to fine-tune LLMs. This tutorial will guide you through DataStudio's fine-tuning feature, demonstrating its importance in fine-tuning large language models with precision and ease, and we will also see its use case in real life by fine-tuning Llama. Let's dive into a live demonstration. Visit our platform at datastudio.indicaai.com. Create a new project. Choose the Supervised Language Model Fine-Tuning template from our extensive collection designed for generative AI projects. Upload your data in JSON format, utilizing either local storage options or our seamless cloud integration. Begin the annotation process by selecting a specific data point. Provide appropriate responses to every prompt in your data. Finalize the process by exporting your annotated dataset in industry standard formats such as JSON, JSON-min, and CSV. I will be exporting in JSON-min format so that I can upload my script for fine-tuning LLM. Here I'll be saving it as prompts.json. So I just need to upload my JSON file and run my script. Upload your fine-tuned dataset in your script for the fine-tuning LLM. Here I already have the script ready, so I just need to upload my JSON file and run the script. And I have already uploaded my JSON file here, and I have already run the script. Then a link will be generated here. This link opens up the UI to have the conversation with the LLM. So on clicking the link, this will be opening. Now you can enter the prompts here and see the responses generated by the original Llama as well as the fine-tuned Llama and compare the difference between the two. So here I'll click on original Llama and I'll enter my prompt here, submit, and the response will be generated here. So that is what I get. And for fine-tuned Llama, I will see another response here. As you can notice, the responses generated by the fine-tuned Llama and the original Llama differ by a great deal. Therefore, it is essential to fine-tune these LLMs before integrating them for your specific use case. Platforms like DataStudio help users make crisp and high-quality data with ease, thus simplifying the fine-tuning process. Designed with your AI projects in mind, our platform ensures a streamlined and productive experience in the field of generative AI. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you.